What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Tree Man TV, and today I have got a new episode of the car vlog for you guys today. We are off to go see my buddy Josiah, and we are going to help him put a new turbo on his 2006 Forester XT. So let's get right into it. Yeah!
Like, ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like 550 on the 5 sticky, come get high with me, that's a deal, right? Ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like 550 on the 5 sticky, come get high.
Fire it up! Alright, we're about to start test drive number 1 with the stock TD04 turbo still on the Forester, and then we're going to swap it over to, what is it, Josiah?
VF43.
VF43. But we're going to get some footage driving this thing around with the stock turbo for you guys first. So this is Josiah's new turbo, the VF43?
Oh yeah.
Okay, I'm always bad with numbers. There we go, now the focus is coming in. It's definitely bigger than the TD04 that comes stock on these cars, just like on the WRXs. It's always good to get that thing off there and throw something a little bigger on there.
We can throw them side by side too.
Oh yeah,
we pull the other one out.
As soon as we pull the other one out, we'll throw that one for the side-by-side comparison. And then just so you guys know, we have to change the turbo because he's got a bad turbo up here in the front, which is why in those videos of us doing pulls you could see all that smoke, and especially when you did the anti-lag two-step shot, you can see all the smoke coming out. Basically his turbo seals are just gone. It's been in there, it's the stock turbo from 04 or 05?
What turbo seals?
Is it 04 or 05?
This car?
Yeah.
2006.
06. See, I'm way wrong, guys. It was not 04, it's 06. That's how long that turbo's been in there. So it's time to take it out and put a new one in. What's up? Is this car on something still down there?
No, I'm just trying to get that fucking...
Just finessing stuff?
Oh, here we go. I mean, that's what... Pushing the whole thing down.
Oh.
Off that.
Ta-da! Goodbye, TD04. Was nice knowing ya. Just throws it. Oh, here, we'll set up the comparison shot for you guys so you can see the difference in turbo size. So hang on. Let me see if I can focus on it. So this is the old TD04. Oh, don't give me darkness. I just need to show the people, look, how much shaft play there is in this thing. Oh, it doesn't want to focus, but you can see it kind of. There it goes. You can see the whole turbine moving right there. Oh, here, Josiah's going to shine the flashlight on it. No? Okay. Compared to this one where if I do the same thing, nothing happens. No shaft play versus wiggle, 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 wiggle. This is why you gotta get that thing out of there. He's taking his own videos of it. You getting it? You getting it?
Kinda.
Kinda? It's just the big one, right? Yeah.
Yeah, I'm just seeing if it loosens more.
Is he doing it right, Jake? When are you gonna get your car fixed so we can do a video about it?
You're like, good, I did my part on that. Different approach here, boys.
Oh, switch it up. Okay.
That inlet hose is fucked.
Yeah, that is.
Your big one up there. Yeah, it looks pretty fuckered.
Oh, rip. Oh, shit.
Quite literally just slap the airbox in.
Yeah, it's got no bolts.
Free floating.
Free floating engines.
Well,
Not that part, but
and there's an amp up there.
that was the other one.